Is your Canon printer showing an E59 error? The E59 error is actually one of the easiest Canon errors to resolve, and most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's causing this error and how to get rid of it. No technical jargon, no complicated procedures, just simple solutions that actually work. If you get stuck, call the numbers on your screen. Let's tackle this error and get your Canon printing again.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Perform a basic printer restart. Turn off your Canon printer completely by pressing the power button and unplugging the power cord from the back. Wait about 30 seconds with your printer powered down. This gives your printer system time to fully shut down and clear out any temporary glitches causing the error. Turn your Canon printer back on by plugging it in and pressing the power button. Try printing a test page now and check if the E59 error has disappeared. Most of the time, the simple restart will clear the issue right up. If the first method didn't do the fix, don't worry, you can try the next method to check your paper settings. Method 2. Verify your paper settings. Click on the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it up. In the Control Panel, find and click the Hardware and Sound to access hardware-related settings. Look for and click on Advanced Printer Setup to get your detailed printer configuration options. In the Printers and Scanners window that opens, find your Canon printer in the list and click on it to select it. Open Printing Preferences to access your printer's detailed settings and options. Go to the Paper Quality tab and under Paper Options drop-down, select the correct paper size settings and verify it matches the actual paper you've loaded into the Canon printer. After that, click on Apply and then OK to save your changes.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.